Hey guys, the much awaited phone from OPPO A1k, a low budget phone, has been launched in India for a price range of 8,499. So this was the same phone that is launched 1 week before in Russia for a price of $150, but in India they have launched it for an attractive price of $125, that is approximately 8,499 rupees. This phone is very special because it offers some unique features at this low budget range. So let's talk about the specification of this phone. The display is 6.1-inch IPS LCD display with HD plus resolution, comes with the water drop notch. The display is average. We can not expect much from a low budget phone at this price range. For this price range, the processor is MediaTek Helio P22 processor, clocked at 2 GHz, coupled with 2 GB of RAM, and it comes with a huge 32 GB of internal storage. So this is the most important thing about this phone. No phone at this price offers 32 GB of internal storage and a powerful processor like MediaTek Helio P22. The powerful MediaTek Helio P22 processor performs better in multitasking and lightweight gaming. So coming to the camera, there is a single rear camera. As we look in the picture, it looks like a dual camera, but there is only one camera at rear, which is of 8 megapixel, takes decent pictures, and there is a selfie camera mounted on the notch, which is of 5 MP, takes decent selfie pictures and helps in face unlocking also. This phone has a face unlocking feature also. So talking about the battery, which is the main USP of this phone, it has 4000 mAh of battery, and the company claims a 2x fast charge and provides a 10-watt charger which charges the phone very fastly. They have not given any details about the WOOC fast charging or something like that, but there will be a fast charging, that is 2x fast charging with a 10-watt charger. So this is a very unique feature, and no phone at this price point offers such a fast charging support and with such a huge battery. So this phone has everything you want. And what you feel about OPPO A1k, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.